Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix OBS Studio not working on Windows. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, click the Start button or Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then type Task Manager. Click Task Manager from the search results to open it. Once Task Manager appears, locate OBS Studio in the list of running applications. Right-click on it and select End Task. This will completely close OBS and clear any processes that might be causing issues. Next, find the OBS app icon on your desktop and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a new window with various settings for the application. At the top of this window, click on the Compatibility tab. This section allows you to adjust how OBS runs on your system, which can resolve many common performance problems. In the compatibility settings, look for the checkbox that says Run this program as administrator. Go ahead and check this box. Running OBS with administrator privileges gives it the necessary permissions to access system resources and capture your screen without interruptions. After checking the box, click Apply, then click OK to save these changes. Now, click the Start button again in the bottom left corner and type Graphics Settings. Click on Graphics Settings from the search results. This feature allows you to assign specific performance profiles to different applications on your computer. In the Graphics Settings window, click the Browse button. Navigate to your computer folder, locate the OBS Studio installer file, and click Add. This tells Windows to prioritize OBS Studio's graphics performance. Once you've added OBS, it will appear in the list of applications. Click on OBS Studio to select it, then click the Options button that appears. You'll see performance settings with different radio buttons. Click the circle beside High Performance to ensure OBS gets maximum graphics resources from your system. This is especially important for smooth recording and streaming. After selecting High Performance, click Save to apply these settings. Finally, let's update your graphics drivers, as outdated drivers are a common cause of OBS issues. Click the Start button once more and type Device Manager, then click it from the results. In Device Manager, double-click on Display Adapters to expand the list. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver from the menu. In the window that appears, click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now check for the latest driver updates and install them if available. This process may take a minute or two, so give it time to complete. And that's it. You've now resolved the most common issues that prevent OBS Studio from working properly on Windows. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.